And we are back. This time Papap is doing a rebuild. We're going to see what his team can... Gaga's team went 5-12 less than an hour ago. So I'm going to see what Papap can do. Hopefully he doesn't do what I think he's going to do and go for the kickers. Okay, who do you want to get rid of? You can pick one, Papap.
Yeah, but you're going through too fast, I can't.
Okay, I'll go back to the top. You can read them.
Let's just get rid of Cobb.
Chubb?
There's that Chubb.
Yeah, he called him Cobb. What? Okay, we'll trade him to the Bears. We'll just go in name order because you don't know any teams.
Chubb.
Okay, who do you want to get?
E. Montgomery.
David Montgomery. So a running back for running back. This is going to be bad. Okay, who do you want to get rid of next?
K. Hurt.
K. Hurt?
Yeah, I thought I saw it right there.
Oh, Kareem Hunt.
Okay.
And who do you want to get for him?
Higgins.
T. Higgins. Oh, they don't want to do that.
Double card!
Okay, so let's keep going. Tell me who you want to take from them instead of him, because they don't want to get rid of him.
Yeah, okay. I'll take Henderson.
Henderson? Oh, Trey Hendrickson. Nope.
Nope.
They're not going to do that.
Don't go through too fast. We'll do it. Jay Williams.
Jonah Williams.
Pronounce it correctly.
And you got him. Okay, who do you want to get rid of next? Who do you want to get rid of, Papap?
Newsom.
Greg Newsom II. And do you want to get... Who are you going to get?
Jay Allen.
Oh, no way they're going to accept that. Both of you guys try to get Josh Allen. Yeah, that didn't go through. Okay. Who else would you want? Because you can't get Josh Allen.
G. Davis.
Gabriel Davis. Gabe Davis and... No, they do not want to do that.
T. White.
Tre'Davious White.
Mm-hmm.
There's no way this is getting accepted. Yep. He's going for a major cornerback upgrade.
Dawkins.
Deion Dawkins. He's upgrading the offensive line on us. That was accepted. Okay, who's going to get traded away next?
Willis.
Thank gosh, you just got Deion Dawkins. I don't think you need Jedrick Willis. And who do you want to get?
Patrick.
Tim Patrick. Jedrick Willis Jr. for Tim Patrick is declined. Come on, Papap. Okay. I have to get somebody different.
K. Williams.
Kawan Williams. And that is accepted. What is happening? Who's going off your team next?
Jay Johnson.
John Johnson III. And who are you going to get?
Evans.
Mike Evans. I don't think this is going through. Yeah, they declined. So who else would you want?
D. White.
That's good. Oh, Devin White. This could be a huge trade. And it was accepted. What? Even I'm confused now. Okay, who are you getting rid of next?
D. Jones.
Deion Jones. And who do you want to get?
D. Baker.
Buda Baker. I don't think this is going through. They declined. So let's see who else you could get.
Hudson.
Rodney Hudson. I think they're going to decline this too, but who knows? Yeah, they declined. Okay, anybody else? Come on, Papap.
What is that, Murray or?
Yeah, it's Murray. Do you want him?
Murray, yeah.
Okay, Kyler Murray. As I suspected, they declined that too. Come on, Papap, get together. What do Robbie Anderson and the Cardinals?
How about A. Green?
AJ Green. This is probably gonna be accepted. Yep, they accepted. Papap's just dismantling his team. There's nothing bad here. Who do you want to get rid of next?
Jones.
Donovan Peoples-Jones. And you are going to get...
Say Herbert.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I didn't think so.
Turned down.
Yeah, they declined that.
J. Jackson.
J.C. Jackson. I don't think that's happening. Also, why did you say G. Jackson? And that was declined as well. So, let's see who else he can get. President Matt Fielder.
D. Carter.
DeAndre Carter. Yeah, this is going to be a bleak season. Okay, next trade. Who are you getting rid of?
Where is it? Bishop.
Brissett. And who are you going to get for him?
Bolton.
Nick Bolton. I don't know about this. It's up to an 83. They declined. Okay. Who else here?
T. Smith.
Trey Smith. Your offensive line could probably use the help. And they declined. Yeah, they have Patrick Mahomes. I don't think they're going to do much for a quarterback. That guy.
How about K. Tony?
Who?
Huh?
Him?
No, down.
Him?
No.
Oh, Kadarius Toney.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, they declined that? Even I'm surprised by that. How would they do with Patrick Mahomes?
Jeff Clark.
Oh gosh. Frank Clark. Yeah, you have Myles Garrett, but whatever. This team is so bad. Okay. You're going to get rid of your second round pick. Who are you going to get next, Papap? Let's see. Who are you going to get?
Jay Taylor.
Jonathan Taylor. I don't... Oh my gosh. What are you doing, Papap?
Oh.
And that didn't go through. Decline.
How about K. Moore?
Kenny Moore the second. Yeah, I didn't think so. They kind of had some interest in that. Oh, I went down too far. Trying to help you put the joystick down when you're holding the controller is tough.
D. Smith.
Braden Smith. This could go through. There you go, Papap. You just got an offensive lineman. I'm going to tackle, Pussy. Thanks.
Right here.
Yeah. Who do you want next, Papap?
You want a waffle?
Okay, Carl. The Curl.
Cameron Curl. Why do I even do this anymore? Hold on, I gotta tell Gaga something. Gaga. Guess what he just did?
Don't tell me he's no better than me.
He just traded one of the best players in the entire game
What did he trade?
for some random guy. He's a starter, the guy he traded for. Like, Cameron Curl's decent, but what in the world was that trade? Okay. Almost done, Pat. A couple more trades. Who are you going to get next?
Keith Smith.
Tyron Smith.
Tyrone Shoelaces.
And they declined.
E. Elliott.
He's okay.
Ezekiel Elliott. It's accepted. Again, why do I even try?
Wow, I'm surprised. 'Cause isn't he pretty good?
Yeah, it's overrated. Who do you want next? From Gaga's Dolphins. Oh, this isn't the Dolphins Gaga made. This is just the Dolphins.
Monahan, is it?
Who?
I can't see it.
Who did you want?
That one right
Tim?
there. Yeah.
One now.
Jerome Baker. His name is Bake. My gosh, what is happening? Accepted! This team is bad. Okay, who do you want next?
Don't go too fast. Jeff Cox.
Fletcher Cox. Oh gosh. Accepted. You're just gonna hit all your top players. Okay, who do you want next?
Howard.
Hayward. Casey Hayward Jr. Accepted. Papap's team sucks. Okay, who do you want next?
Jay Ward.
Jimmy Ward. Accepted. Again, now what was that? Who do you want next?
Thompson.
Thomas? Him?
Thomas.
Okay. Andrew Thomas. Oh, they declined it.
Whoa. How about A. Jackson?
Adoree Jackson. Oh boy. That was accepted. Oh no, not your quarterback. Who do you want now?
Griffin.
Papap. You're in so much trouble once the season starts. Okay, who do you want next?
Moss. Is he Moss now?
There's no guy here named Moss.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Mosley.
Oh, Mosley, I'm sorry.
CJ Mosley. You're the one looking through it and reading them off to me. I'm just recording. Okay, you got CJ Mosley. Who's next? Let's see. Some other guy gets took for her team, actually.
Jim Fox.
Oh gosh.
Was he stinky?
Gaga. This is why I wanted to do this so bad. Papap just traded a starting tight end for a punter.
Why did you so bad?
Starting tight end for a punter. Punter.
Is he?
It's a punter, Papap.
Oh, Well, I don't know. I like the chicken.
Okay, who are you going for next?
Alexander.
Jair Alexander.
Yes. Number 40.
Oh gosh, Papa.
One. Cobra.
What, do I have to make a pick?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. Didn't know that. How about Big Gavin?
Garvin.
What is it?
Garvin.
I can't even do
He
it.
just traded somebody. He just traded a starting quarterback for some guy whose name he can't even pronounce. Wow, Papap, beautiful.
Do I
Okay,
have to trade people or not?
we're almost done.
I don't understand.
Who do you want next?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130,
Who do you want next?
T. Brown.
Trent Brown. He's hurt all the time, so I might get that one. You did. Who do you want next?
Car.
Go, call. Declined.
48.
Is that Holmes?
Holmes. I don't. Hollins?
The Hollis?
You just
Oh, I
passed.
can't see this angle. That pissed off.
And that was accepted. Trent Brown's on the latest again. Oh boy. Next one of the last ones we're gonna be making. Can't get out.
I'll try one. Long.
David Long Jr. Gaga. He might beat you. His team might actually win a game. His team sucks. Okay, who do you want next?
40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47.
Hudson.
Hudson.
Oh, wait.
There's nobody named Hudson.
Okay.
Oh, Houston. Yeah, Houston.
40.
Accepted.
No more.
You might as well send your entire team to training camp. Most of these guys you can't carry.
Number 50.
McCoy.
McCoy. That's Dad's center in his franchise. Oh, they declined. I'll eat them in a few minutes.
Yeah. Can you pause it?
I mean, there's no way to pause this. Just keep going. Just have to.
Just give me it. I'll just stuff it in my face.
I'll simulate your season and see how you deal with your team of weirdos. Papap, I'm gonna see how many games your team's gonna lose. Gaga, if he makes the playoffs, you gotta pay him $20. His team is awful. I should have had Papap bet you that he was gonna make the playoffs, so he would have won money. Cause that ain't gonna happen, Papap. Guess who his quarterback is? Gaga, guess who his quarterback is? I have no idea. He traded his starter and his backup. He plays Kellen Mondon.
I don't think he did.
His team's worse than the Jets. You don't even watch football, and even you know it's bad. You're a glitzy gambling Gaga, not glitzy football Gaga.
Wait, I don't think I have it.
Camera still.
And we have 2 points, so goodbye. And I guess
So how long this is taking? The picture of the video is gonna be fun to.
Stand there with it. I mean, stay there with it.
Yeah, and then once it gets to the end of the season, once it's done simulating, I'll see how many games he lost, not how many games he won. Gaga, how many wins do you think he's gonna get in 18 games? How many wins do you think you're gonna get, Papap?
5,
That's how many Gaga had, so I mean, maybe.
maybe.
Next time I go to the store, I'm buying a couple boxes
Gaga.
of cheese and bring them up.
Gaga, you actually had talent though. Papap's quarterback, I don't even know who it is.
It's a junkie.
Probably Kellen Mond, dude. Do they have Joshua Dobbs? I feel like they do.
I don't, you know me, I don't follow football.
You traded your starting quarterback for a corner, something like that. And exactly the same record as Gaga. 5 wins, 12 losses. Papap's a god. Now I gotta see. Who's this quarterback? That's almost as long as the Gaga video. Because Gaga was particular. Yep, I was right. It was Kellen Mond and then Joshua Dobbs was backup. Okay.
Go eat, buddy, because they're going to get cold.
Nice job, Papap. Now to upload this.